What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to create and send invoice on PayPal. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your PayPal. Then you should go to this section right here, send, tap on it. Then you can go to more right here and click on create an invoice. So click on get started right here. Then it will show you this page right here. And now what you should do is to simply click on edit in order to edit the invoice number and the invoice date. And after that, you can simply click on save. Now here you can choose the customer name, for example. Down below right here, you can choose whatever item that you are paying for. And here on the right side, you have three options. You have invoice PDF preview, mobile preview, and also the email preview right here. So now I'm going to go to the invoice PDF again, and here you have the download option. You can simply download the sample of your invoice, or you can simply print it by using this option right here. Now you can simply create an item that you are going to pay for. Then here, when you scroll down and click on this arrow right here, it will show that you can simply leave a note for your customer. Then here you have the terms and condition, reference number, and also down below right here, you can attach some files, up to 5 files, 4 MB per file. And if you click on more options right here, you can save this invoice as a draft, or you can simply edit or add a logo if you want. So here, as you can see, I can add the logo here if you want to add the company logo. And you can also apply this template, save it, and use it whenever you want. And after that, you can simply click on send. Then it will be sent to the company or the person that you want. And once you send it, you will get a message on your Gmail account. You can find it in your Gmail inbox telling you that you have sent the invoice. And once the invoice is received, you can also get a message. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.